In this session, we will explore text processing using the word count, or WC command in Linux. This powerful utility is essential for counting lines, words, and characters within text files, offering valuable insights into your data. The basic syntax for using the word count command is as follows: WC followed by options, and then the file name. When the word count command is run without any options, it displays the number of lines, words, and bytes in the specified file, along with the file name. The word count command can process multiple files at once, providing individual and total counts. If no file is specified, it reads from standard input, or STIN, allowing it to be used in combination with other commands through piping. Let's explore some common options for the word count command. The L option is used to count only the number of lines in the input file. For example, running wcl example.txt will output the number of lines in the file example.txt, followed by the file name. The W option counts the number of words in the file. For example, wcw example.txt will display the word count. To count the number of bytes in a file, use the C option. The command wcc example.txt shows the byte count. Lastly, the M option counts the number of characters in a file. Use wcm example.txt to get the character count. Now let's look at some practical examples of how to use the word count command. You can combine multiple options to get specific counts. For example, wclw example.txt will show both the line count and the word count of the file. The output will display the number of lines, the number of words, and the file name. The word count command can process multiple files at once. For example, wcw file 1.txt, file 2.txt, file 3.txt will count the words in each file and provide a total count. The output includes the word count for each file, followed by the file name, and then the total count. The word count command is often used with pipes to analyze the output of other commands. For example, ls lpipe.wl counts the number of lines in the output of the ls command, effectively showing the number of files and directories in the current directory. Note that the count includes a header, so the actual number of files and directories is one less than the displayed count. Now let's explore some advanced usage patterns for the word count command. You can combine word count with sort to find the files with the most lines. The command wval*.txt pipesort, nrpipehead, lists all text files, sorts them in reverse numerical order based on line count, and displays the top files with the most lines. To count the total words in all text files in a directory, you can use the find command in conjunction with word count and awk. The command find@name*, exec ww, semicolon pipeawk single quote sum plus equals $1 semicolon end curly braces print sum single quote finds all text files, counts the words in each, and then uses awk to sum the word counts. The word count command can be used to compare character count versus byte count for UTF-8 encoded files, helping identify multi-byte characters. The command wcm utf8_file.txt shows the character count, while wcc utf8_file.txt shows the byte count. Finally, you can monitor log file growth in real time using the watch command. The command watch n5 single quote wl/var/log/syslog single quote updates every 5 seconds, displaying the current line count of the syslog file, allowing you to track its growth. In summary, the word count command is a versatile tool for analyzing text file metrics. It can be combined with other commands for powerful text processing and is essential for scripting and file analysis workflows. It has a simple syntax but powerful capabilities. Some common use cases include counting lines in log files, analyzing document word counts, comparing file sizes, and monitoring file growth. Here is a quick cheat sheet for the word count command. WC file counts lines, words, and bytes. WL counts lines only. WW counts words only. WE counts bytes only. WM counts characters only. And WL finds the longest line length. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.